In the VPO, you have the ability to track and record risks for a specific project. The risks are found on the home page of the project. So on the home page, if you scroll down, you will find risks. From here, I could edit the existing items in the risk log, or I could click on risk to actually open up the log itself, or I could click new item to create a new risk for the project. In the risk, you would want to enter in a title for the risk, and then you would want to select the owner of the risk. If it's you, just start typing your name and it'll find it and you can select it. Then you can select a category and a status for the risk. You can enter in a description to be more descriptive of the risk. You can enter in a cost impact if this risk actually happens. And then you can enter in the magnitude of the impact should this risk actually occur. You can also enter in the probability of this risk occurring. You can enter in a trigger of date or exposure over threshold or task not complete or other, or you could specify your own value. And then you could put in a specific trigger description. This is going to be the trigger that could make this risk occur. We also like to enter in a contingency plan. So if this happens, here's our contingency, or here's what we hope to do to avoid this happening. You have a due date, and then you can assign this risk to somebody to actually be in charge of, look into. Once you have done that, you can click on the Save button, and an email will be generated for that person so that they know that they have been assigned this risk. Once they have mitigated the risk or taken care of it, or the risk hasn't happened, what they can do is change the assign to back to the owner, just to let the owner know that this particular risk has been taken care of. And once they're done, they click save, and then we have the log of all of the risks for the particular project.